Hello, and today I'm going to really quickly show you how you can quickly look up the pages on your site that have the most backlinks using Ahrefs. And today I'm going to use the example of the website called Half Human. Half Human is a fitness, clothing and supplements brand, and we're just going to use their website as an example to show you this. So obviously once you've opened up Ahrefs and that's fully loaded, grab the URL of the site that you want to look at. So grab the URL of your site, pop that into the top domain, and obviously search that. Then on the left-hand side, you need to look at all the different factors and go down to pages. And under pages, you'll see best by links. And it really is that simple. That will then take you through to a page that shows you all of your pages, or your main pages at least, that have the most backlinks pointing to it. As it happens, this site hasn't had an awful lot of digital PR or backlink sort of link building activity, but we can see here that there's one blog that does have 9 referring domains pointing to it. And the reason you might want to find these pages is you might, for example, want to look at your internal linking strategy, and you might want to say, okay, are there pages on my site, other pages that don't have lots of backlinks that I need to rank well or need to improve the rankings of? So perhaps, for example, you have a product page, a page that is really well written, the content's fantastic, but it's a particularly competitive search term. What you might want to do then is obviously build links to that page and increase the authority of the website generally, as well as bolstering the content on that page where you can. But you might also want to look at your internal linking strategy. So can you link from pages that are that have a lot of link juice to that page to help boost it just a little bit to help it in the search rankings? So once I've identified the page or the pages that have the most link juice, I'll look at what internal links currently exist and whether there's opportunity to include internal links to those pages that need to perform better. And that really is that quick, and that's how you will find your top link pages really quickly in Ahrefs.